guys, you're watching Dare Direct, and in today's video I'll be reviewing these two eyeliner pens from LA Girl that I found at the beauty supply store. So I'm going to be using these two eyeliners to create this one look that I found on Google. And I'm going to leave it up to you guys to tell me if this is a yes or a no. So comment down below in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and leave a like, because why not? You're a fam. You love me. Maybe. So, let's get... There'll be a shout out contest at the end of this video. I'm going to let you guys know the details plus the secret word into this product review. So, when I picked these up, the first thing that I noticed was the style of this pencil. Sorry if you guys are getting glare from my ring light. But the style of this pencil is so sleek. I really like it. And it says that it's flexible, it's fine liner, and it'll give you a thick line if you point it like to the side. And it also says that it has like rich color pigment and color payoff. So I'm hoping that these are worth the money. I'll try to leave them in the description box if I can find it. I would love to tell you guys the price. I believe it was $8, but if not, I'll make sure to put it somewhere in this video for you guys. So the first thing I noticed is that it's really easy to take out the box. All you gotta do is press it down and it comes out. So I really like how they made the packaging like easy to open. And also you can see what I'm talking about when I say it looks great. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get into this look. I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to use these two eyeliners and maybe another eyeliner to line the bottom of my eyes, because I'm not really sure how it's going to work out, but we'll go on this journey together. So I'm going to take these on my hand just to test them out. So I'm going to just draw a heart. And show you guys. Okay. I like how bold it looks. And how it looks like I draw it on myself with like a permanent marker or something. So I have high hopes for this black eyeliner right now. And that's the black one. And now let me draw another heart with the blue one. I know these are really ugly hearts, but it's just to show you guys like a swatch of how they look on my skin. So yeah, I'm really excited. These look great. Eyeliner. And then she goes over the top of it with a, well, she went over the top of it with the blue eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to create that. And I'm just gonna use my Huda palette as a mirror for this. So the way I do eyeliner is pretty simple. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so the way I do eyeliner is pretty simple. All I do is just go in from the inner corner and start lining and filling it in. Everybody does eyeliner different, but this is just the way I do mine. So I'm just going to do this other one off camera because it's taking way too long. Then I'll come back for the blue. Okay, so I finished the top two. And honestly, I am kind of iffy about these eyeliners. I'm gonna tell y'all after I do the blue liner, but honestly, underneath my eyes, I'm gonna have to go in with my old, you know, eyeliner, just because I'm kind of scared that it's gonna, like, that one is gonna poke me in the eye. It's really long. That's the only thing about it. It's a super long tip on it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I think it's dependent on the person, like your personal preference. But I'm gonna go underneath my eye with this black eyeliner pencil. One thing that I've noticed, I don't know if it's me or these eyeliners, it kind of feels like nothing is coming out. I think it's just me, but for a second it just feels like nothing is coming out of it, and I had to like keep going back and forth to get eyeliner to actually come out of it onto the brush. I think it's because the brush is so long, but I mean, I'm not sure exactly of why that's happening. But so now I'm gonna pop on my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be back for my final thoughts on this eyeliner. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. So all I did was pop on some lashes, a little bit of lip gloss, and a little bit of highlight. So I'm going to give you guys my final comments on these LA color eyeliners. LA girl eyeliners, sorry. I honestly had to give them I would give them a 7 out of 10. Only because of the fact that they run out too easy. Like, I found myself like shaking the bottle, and I just opened these, literally just bought them. So I found myself like shaking it to get the product to like fall down onto the, the brush of it. And I didn't like that because I felt like, what did I pay my money for? You know what I mean? So honestly, I still gave it a 7 because what I like about it is that it does have a really great pigment. Like, you can tell that I have on blue and black eyeliner. The blue wasn't as bright as I thought it was going to be. Like, when it was on my arm, it really gave the impression that it was going to be super bright. I guess that might be because my arm is lighter than my face. But, I just, didn't like that about it. But a pro about this is that it really did pay off. It made a great line. And it was super precise. And I really liked the way that the look came out. At the end of the day, I still think that you guys should go buy it. Maybe this is just, because of the fact that I just maybe got a bad batch. But I will not say that these are horrible. I do think that these are still okay, If you need an eyeliner pencil or pen, get this one, because why not? It didn't cost that much. It's from the drugstore, so. But other than that, I'll leave it up to you guys to say if this is a yes or a no. Leave a comment if you have these eyeliners. Let me know if, maybe yours work better than mine. And also, subscribe, like, and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also, the secret word for the shout out is hair. So comment hair down below to let me know that you made it to the end of this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at DareDirect. And I will make sure to shout you guys out in my next video.